This is my video which shows how to open a hood on a 1995 Buick Century where the cable has become disconnected to the latch mechanism. I felt it was easier to start with the hood open to show you how the mechanism works. Then I'm going to shut the hood and I'm going to open it for you and show you how I did it. If you come over here to the latch, you'll notice that what we have is the cable coming in here from inside the car. Normally you would be able to pull on it from the inside, but at the moment it's not working. I'm going to have to replace that cable. But that cable is connected to this little lever here, which operates this little mechanism there. If you pull back towards the driver's side of the car, you'll see how that pulls back on this mechanism, which should free the hood to pop up with the little spring thing we have up here on the hood. The problem, of course, is that it's difficult to get to this little lever with the hood down. Easy from here, from above, but with the hood closed, it is a little more difficult. So having that as an introduction, I'm going to go ahead and put the hood down, and then I'm going to show you how you can get to this little mechanism here and be able to pull on it to pop the hood open, and you can then change your cable. Hang tight. So I have put the hood down, and earlier I came and I took the front grille off the Buick. Very easy to do, just takes a couple of minutes. Some little star-shaped screws hold that thing in and can be easily taken off. But once that hood the grill is off, then if you look down here inside, you'll see the place where the wire is that we saw from above, and then the place where that wire is being fed into, which I'm just, for no better reason, I'm going to call a canal. So what I've done is I have taken a clothes hanger and I have bent a little hook onto the end of it. I think you can see it here. And so to open that latch, it's just a matter of feeding that clothes hanger into this little canal here, which I'm going to do now. And then to try and grab a hold of the latch, and you just have to do that by ear. Let's see if I can grab it here. I had to grab it by two hands and pull it towards the passenger side, but it, as you can see here, it did pop the hood open. So to get it open, it's a matter of getting you a clothes hanger, putting a hook on it, knowing where to go, finding that little canal, feeding the clothes hanger through the canal, grabbing hold of the latch, pulling it towards the driver's side, and that should pop your hood open. Now I got to go buy me a hood latch cable.